Hi, my name is ex6OlabisiK and I'll be presenting my sixth presentation, my sixth exercise. Okay, this is my source code. And this is my design. And this is my text.xml. And these are my strings. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to run the program now. So show list shows all the lists. Okay, and let's try to enter data. Let me say just a ABC, add ABC successfully added. Let's see, as you can see, it's in the list. And let's remove by value. ABC removed, and ABC is gone. So that's what we did in class. And I'm just going to show you what I added to this program. So I have these two buttons. This is size. It doesn't literally tell you the size of the data, but it just shows you if the data is empty or not. So right now it said the list is not empty, and I also have this button which is clear all. So see, show list. So I can clear all the lists and all the data will be removed. That's what that button does. And when I click size, it tells me the list is empty because I've removed all the data. So that'll be all for my presentation. Thank you.